Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Boom Bap drum kit called Drought. It's crazy, man, I'm telling you. Y'all know how we do it here at Believers Records.
We always kill it.
So yeah, there's some nice goodies for you to actually look forward to here. So there's bass, there's some hats, there's some kicks, there's some loops, there's some percussion, and some snares. Nicely processed as always. So yeah, man. So before we move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, man. So it's crazy, man. So everything here has been nicely processed. So all you got to do is, just drag and drop. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just load up the first loop here. So let me go ahead and just put a limiter for you to actually hear it properly. All right, let's go ahead and hear that. So that was the first loop. Second. Let's go ahead and make this fit. Let's listen to that. That was the second loop, the third. Fourth. And finally, the last one, the last loop here. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the loop. So yeah, so you can actually choose to finish this and eventually actually turn it to a beat or something, Yeah, so I hope it actually, helps you. So yeah, so that's it for the loop. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So there's a one-shot bass sample here. And the hats, let's go ahead and just remove the limiter since we're done with that. All right, the kicks. All right, the percussion. The snares. So that's it, man. So it's not really that much, big of a kit, but it's enough to actually, it's enough for you to actually make something out of it. So yeah, so that's it, man. So I hope that you actually enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe.